Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add an ebook to a WordPress page. So here you can see this is a website, and let's go to dashboard. After that, now let's edit one of the page where I want to add an ebook. But before that we need to upload that ebook into our media library. So now select that file, and after that upload that file. So this is book image, and after that this is the book ebook file. Now upload it, and after that here you can see in the Elementor, now we can add one of the layout. Here we can add image for the ebook. And after that here we can add some text, and also you can add some details about the book. Just you can add some text here. After that now we can add a button. Download ebook. Now let's copy this link, and after that add this link here. If you want to align this text vertical, just you can go to section setting. After that just use these options, vertical align in the middle. You can also increase the width of image. Here you can see these are various options. You can also go to style tab, and after that you can increase its width, then click update. In this way you can easily add an ebook on a WordPress page.